Hello, you are watching TV9 News. I am Amrita. India's very own yoga guru Baba Ramdev has once again landed in controversy related to COVID-19. In the latest, Baba Ramdev and his enterprise Patanjali have been accused of falsely projecting that their product against COVID-19, Coronil, has been certified and approved by the World Health Organization. WHO in an official tweet disputed any such claims. So what were the claims by Patanjali? Now, during the presser itself, Patanjali did not make any false claims. The presser on the release of a research paper on Coronil as a supporting measure for COVID-19, several slides flashed this line: COPP WHO GMP certificate for Coronil from the Drugs Controller General of India. Now, this claim itself is not factually wrong. Patanjali has been issued the certificate. But for the average Indian who doesn't know the ins and outs of what this certificate means and how it is issued, the takeaway would be that the product has been certified by the WHO itself. What did not help is Baba Ramdev himself going on several TV interviews claiming that Coronil has been approved by WHO. One of Patanjali's top executives, Rakesh Mittal, in a now deleted tweet, had clearly claimed that Coronil has been recognized by WHO as the first evidence-based medicine for corona. Patanjali clarified on the controversy, saying that their product has not been approved by WHO and the certificate has been issued by the DCGI, which is the government of India. But what is this COPP WHO GMP certificate that has been issued by the Drugs Controller General of India to Coronil? Dr. Jayalal John Rose Austin, the national president of the Indian Medical Association, explains what the certificate means.
See, the COPP is Certificate of Pharmaceutical Product. This is in India since for a long time. This is Certificate of Pharmaceutical Product is being issued by the Drug Controller General of the Indian. It is a certificate issued by the Government of India. Till 2009, this certificate was issued by the State Drug Controller. In 2009, the process is changed. It will be issued by the Central Drug Central Drug Control General. And it was the certification should be issued in the format of WHO assigned format. The certificate format is designed by WHO. It is a requirement by WHO that a certificate must be issued. It should be in the format prescribed by the WHO. And this is nothing to do with any product, their efficacy. It is only based on whether the ability of the company to produce a particular product or a particular drug to be there. And this is mandatory to promote the drug to the foreign. Again, when you are applying to the foreign country, with this certificate, you cannot export. This is a prerequisite for applying for the permission. There they do the clinical study. Even the requirement for application for the COPP of the WHO, there are certain criteria there. And when we are, this is a minimum requirement. They should explain about the products which they have already produced on this ground, the contents of the product, and it is a study which has to be assured the validity of the drug, the stability of the drug must be tested for minimum 1 year. This is a basic requirement. If you can go back to the format of the application of the COPP, it will have the 12 months real-time stability study. It has to be studied for 12 months real-time. Then only they will be able to apply for this certificate. I do not know how they could get a certificate, but this certificate, initially they said Director General, then they said Ayush Division of the Director General of the Pharmaceutical Control, and we are not sure who has issued that certificate.
This is the second time that Patanjali has landed in a soup for their claims during the pandemic. First was when they claimed Coronil was a cure to COVID-19, only to clarify later. Not that it has impacted Patanjali's sales. Now do share your thoughts on the new Patanjali controversy in the comment section down below. Also like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thank you for watching. This is Amrita Bhagat signing off.